In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Agile Standup with Asana. Agile Standups are meant to be fast, focused check-ins that keep everyone aligned. Using Asana, you can make those updates visible, consistent, and easy to track without adding meeting overhead. Let's set it up together. Start by opening Asana and creating a new project. Click the plus button labeled New, choose Project, and select Blank Project so you're starting with a clean slate. Give your project a clear name that your team will recognize, like Daily Standup or Team Standup Board. When you choose the layout, pick Board View. This gives you a simple card-based workspace that's perfect for quick status updates and a visual snapshot of progress. Next, set up 3 columns named after the classic stand-up questions. Create a column called Yesterday for work that was completed. Add a column called Today for the items you'll focus on now. Then create a column called blockers for anything that's in the way, such as waiting on approval, missing information, or a technical issue. Keeping these 3 columns front and center helps everyone share information in the same format and immediately spot risks. Now create one task for each teammate to post their daily update. A straightforward naming pattern works well. For example, your name, Daily Standup. This keeps things organized and makes it simple to find your own card. Each person will use their task as their ongoing thread for updates. Open your task and add your daily update in a comment. Follow a short, repeatable format. Start with yesterday and list the items you finished or reviewed. Then add today with the work you're tackling next. Finally, add blockers, noting anything that's slowing you down or needs help to resolve. Keep your comment concise, specific, and action-oriented so it's easy for teammates to scan. Posting updates as comments instead of creating new tasks every day keeps the project clean and creates a searchable history of your progress. At the end of the day, choose how you want to reset. You can move the comment threads to a separate project called Standup Archive to keep the board tidy, or simply continue adding a new comment to the same task each day. Either approach works. The key is to pick one method and stick with it so your team always knows where to look. That's all you need to run a disciplined, agile stand-up in Asana. A clear board, one task per teammate, concise daily comments, and a simple reset routine. Keep it lightweight, keep it consistent, and your stand-ups will stay useful and fast.